23 multiply 11, 253. 45 multiply 11, 495. 37 multiply 11, 407. 245 multiply 11, 2695. 5218 multiply 11, 57,398. 6,896 multiply 11, 75,856. What do you think? Have I memorized it? No, I just use tricks. If you want to learn these tricks, stay with me, see the full class. I am Mohammad Imtiaz Hussain, teacher of class 4, Milestone Preparatory KG School. Welcome you today's class. Today we will learn creative maths of chapter 3, multiplication. So let's start our class. Creative math 1. See, a fruit seller selling watermelons. Each watermelon price is 250 taka. This is the stem. Now first question, what is the product of 250 multiply 1000? B number question, what is the price of 1 hali of watermelons? C number question, what is the price of 1 dozen of watermelon? D number question, what is the price of 250 watermelons? So, creative math, stem is very important. You will read the stem again and again. Okay. Now, we will go for solution number A. See, again you will read stem, then go for A number. A number, what is the product of 250 and 1000? See, it's a very easy answer. See, A number, you will write solution. Then you will write 250 multiply 1000. Oh my God, it is very easy one. Already we have learned how to multiply this type of things. Will I show you that one? Again, look, if there is 75 multiply 10, we will write 75 first and 0. How we will multiply? Actually 0 we will put at last digit. Now 1, if anything we multiply with 1, same number will come. 1 multiply 75, it's 75. If it is right like this way, what I will write? I will write this number first. Then, how many 0? 20. Like this way, this one can be multiplied same way. Look, 1, if I multiply this one, so we'll write 250. Then how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 30. This is all. What is the answer? What is the answer? So have you forget that song? 3, 2, 2. Have you forget that one? See, 3, 2. Then what is the answer? 2,50,000. Answer, you must write answer 2,50,000. This is number A. Now we'll go for B. What is the question of B? Again see. What is the question of B? See. Again you will read the stem. Stem is written, a fruit seller selling watermelons. Each watermelon price is 250 taka. Now, what is the price of 1 hali of watermelon? Okay, 1 hali of watermelon. That is number B. See number B. What will be it? We have to know 1 hali means. We know we know, we will write, we know one hali equal to four pieces. So one hali watermelon means 4 watermelon. So we will write price of one watermelon is taka 250. Price of 4 watermelons is taka how much? Is taka how much? We will write 250 multiply 4. So what will be here? We will show the raw work here. 250 multiply 4. 4 0 is 0, 4 5 is 20, then 4 2 is 8, 8 and 2, tell me, 10. So we will write taka 1000. This is answer. We must write answer. Okay, so this is number B. Now C number. What is the price of 1 dozen of watermelon? First we need to know what is 1 dozen. 1 dozen means, yes, tell me, can you tell? I know you have learned from previous class. Yes, you are right, you are brilliant, those who have told. Yes, 1 dozen equal to 12 pieces. So we can write price of 1 watermelon is taka 250. So we need to find out how many watermelons price of 12 watermelon is taka 250 multiply 12. So this one we will multiply as writing here 250 multiply 12. 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 1 is carrying, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 1 step 0. What will be here? 0 5 2. So what will be here? 0 0 0 3. So we can tell 3000. So what will be here? 3000. Answer is 3000. Clear? Do you have any confusion? Oh, it is very easy. But this line you must write. 1 dozen equal to 12 pieces. Then price of 1 watermelon is taka 250. Then we will write price of 12 watermelon is taka 250 multiply 12. It's easy, simple multiplication. You will do, then you will write answer. Clear? Now the third one, number D. What is in D? Again you will read the stem. Stem is written. The price of 1 watermelon is how much taka? Yes, 250. That one you have to keep it in your mind. Then you need to find out in D number 250 watermelons. What do you think? Is it easy? Okay, do it. Do it, number D yourself. I want to see. Oh, how can I see? Yes, you will give comment. What is the price or what is the solution of D? Hurry up, hurry up. Oh, yes, you are doing. Same process. What you will write? Huh? Push the video and solve it. Now, I am showing the solution. Price of one watermelon is taka, how much? 250. Now, price of 250 watermelons is taka. 250 multiply 250. What will be it? Taka. 250, right here. 250 multiply 250. I want to see who can do it first. Do it. Are you writing in your copy? Yes. I think you are able to solve it. Is there any problem? Yes, do it. Last 2 0 in multiplier also on 0 and multiplicand also on 0. That 2 0 I will not multiply. That easy process. This 2 0 I will write here. 5 5s are 25. 2 is carrying. 5 2s are 10 and 2 12. 1 step 0. 2 2s are 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. Now add it. 0 0 5 2 6. So what will be here? What will be here? 62,500. Then you will write answer. 62,500 taka. Is there any confusion? I think you have understood. And math is magic. When you enjoy it, that time it's give you pleasure. Okay? Now I will show you the tricks. See, 23 multiply 11. Actually, it is tricks for 11. Only for 11. We have lot of tricks. Today we will learn multiply 11 tricks. So 23 multiply 11. What will be it? Actually, it is very easy. This two digit will be in two side. In middle, it will be addition. 2 and 3. 2 plus 3. What will be here? 5. That 5 will be there. 253. Now, see, 45 multiply 11. What will be? Same way. The last digit will be 5. Then this addition will be second digit. And that last digit will be 4. So look, 4 and 5 sit in last and first digit, and addition of these two digit will be in middle. Now see, 3 and 7. If I multiply 11, what will be it? See, 3 and 7, we know it will be last digit and first digit. So last digit is the fixed one, 7. 3 and 7. If I add 3 plus 7, it becomes 10. So we know we can put one digit in the last middle. One digit is 0. This one will be carried, it will be added with this 3. What will be here? 1 and 3, 4. Is it interesting? Yes, it is very interesting. See, if it is big number, 245 multiply 11, what will be here? Same way, we know this digit will be the last one, 5. Then we will add two digit, this two digit, 5 and 4. If I add, what will be here? 9. Then this two digit we will add 2 and 4, it will be 6, and last digit is 2. 2695. Look again, see, we know last and first digit is fixed. Last digit, first digit will be, sorry, last digit, ones column is 5 digit, 5 digit, 5. Now I will add 4 plus 5. What will be here? 9. That 9 I put here. Then we will go for next one. 2 plus 4, it will be 6. I have written here 6. Now 2 is there. Oh, it become very big. Next one, see, 5218 multiply 11. 5218. This one, how it will be it? Look, 8. I will write 8 in last. 8 and 1, 9. Then 9 and 2, 3. 2 and 5, 7. And last digit is 5. So I think if I give you another one, you can do it. Will I give you? Like this way, if anything become hand, look, see the next one. Now I want to do the big one. See, 6, 8, 9, 6 multiply 11. 6896. What will be here? We know the last digit is fixed, 6. 6, then 9. 6 plus 9. What will be here? 15. 5 will be there. 1 will be add with next column. Next column will be addition of 2 digit. 8 plus 9. It will be 17 plus 1. What will be here? 18. That 8 will be there. 1 again carrying. 1 will add with 6 and 6 plus 8. It will be what? 6 plus 8? It will be 14. Now plus 1. What will be here? 15. That 5 will be there. 1 again carrying. 1 and last digit is 6. It will be 7. 75,856. Now clear? This is tricks. Every day I will come with on tricks. Stay with me. Grave tip number 2. Rohima earns 275 taka daily by swing, and she spent 200 taka daily. Number A, how much taka does she earn in a month? Number B question, how much taka does she spend in a month? Then C number question, how much taka does she save in a day? Then how much D number, how much taka does she save in a year? This math, this creative math, you must read at least 3 times. Then it will be easy. I think you can do it. Before my solving, already you got the question. Try to solve it. I want to see that you have done. Okay. Now see a number solution we will solve. Read the stem again. Read the stem again. Rohima earns 275 taka daily by swing. Then she has spent 200 taka daily. First question is, how much taka does she earn in a month? We got one clue. In a day, that means daily. In one day, she earns how much taka? We will write solution. In one day, who is this girl? Who is this girl? Rahima earns how much taka? Taka 275. Now second line, in how many days? 1 month equal to how many days? Yes, 1 month equal to 30 days. So we will write in 30 days Rahima earns টাকা 275 multiply, it will be multiply because one day we need to find out 30 days. 30 days. Now we will multiply by writing here. What will multiply? To থামায় আসো। Now we will multiply by writing here. What I will write? This one we will multiply by what? 30. Multiply it. I am waiting for your answer. Waiting for your answer. Yes, multiply. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Oh, if you are doing hurry, you will do mistake. Okay, slowly you will find out. Slowly, slow, fast. Okay, see, this 30 last digit is 0. We will not multiply that one. We will put here 0. 3 5 ja, tell me what will be it? 3 5 ja, tell me. 3 5 ja 15. 1 is carrying. 3 7 ja 21 and 1 22. 2 is carrying. 3 2 ja 6 and 2 8. Wow, you can get the answer by one line. Look, again check it, your 1 is correct or not. 3 5 is 15, 1 is carrying. 3 7 is 21 and 1 22. 3 2 is 6 and 2. What will be here? 8 exactly. So now you got 8,250 taka she earned in a month. So we will write answer. What I will write? You must write answer. Creative question. I have seen somebody, you are writing only answer. Actually, it will be not allowed. You should show the process. Creative. The word is creative. By listening creative, you are thinking, oh, what a math, I don't know, it will be very hard, it will be like Royal Bengal Tiger, like this way. Actually, not like this way. It is a very easy question. If you read, you can do it. Okay, see the next question. Next question is, how much taka does she spend in a month? So now we will solve it. Again, read the stem properly. Read the stem properly. Read the stem properly. How we will read? Say the question. Say the question. We will write 1 month equal to 30 days. Now I will write in 1 day she spent how much taka? Taka 200. In 30 days she spends taka 200 multiply 30. So I want to see that you have to multiply this one also very fast. It's a very easy one. It's a very easy one. In online, it is possible to multiply. I know whenever I am writing, you are my student. Already we have discussed this type of maths earlier. You can solve it. Will I wait or I will write? Nothing. 1230 is last. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 and 30. This is all. So here will be 6,000 taka. Answer taka 6,000. Okay. Do you have any more problem with that one? I think you are able to solve it. Now we will solve C number. I hope it become easy for you. You can solve yourself. See, C number. Again you have to read the question. Stem. Again and again you need to read the stem. Rohima earns 275 taka by sewing in daily. She has spent 200 taka daily every day. Now there is written how much taka does she save in a day. In one day there is earning and there is spending. Two space. So what should we do? What should we do to find out the saving? Yes, from the earning we have to deduct spent money. Yes, we will write she earns in one day how much taka? How much taka? 275 taka. Now we will write she spent in one day how much taka? 200 taka. What should we do? Subtract. Now we will write she saves in one day how much taka? Subtract. Will I subtract or you will subtract? Subtract. Tell me, tell, loudly tell. Yes, it will be 5 and 7 taka. Now, answer 75 taka. In one day, she saves 75 taka. Is there any problem? Oh, there is no problem, I think. Now, the third question. Again, you have to read the question properly. Yes. In 1 year, how much taka she can save? We know 1 year equal to 365 days. Yes, you can find out another way. In 1 month, how much she can earn, then in 1 month, how much she can save. So subtract it, then with that amount, if we multiply 12, then we can get that answer, and this answer will not be same. Why? Because we know 1 month equal to 30 days. Here is 1 year equal to 365 days. So there is 5 days up down. So that answer will be not same, but both process are same. So what should we do? In 1 day, she saves how much taka? 75 taka. Now we'll write in 365 days, she saves 75 into 365 taka. Now find out right here. I will not help you. You will do yourself. Do it yourself. Multiplication always I am writing here. So here I will write 365 multiply 75. You will multiply it and write the answer. I think you are able to do it. Will you do? Or you will wait for me? Somebody, they are waiting for teacher. They are not using their own brain. One will do and others, yes sir, that one will be done same way. Do it. 5 5s are 55, 2 is carrying, 5 6 are 30 and 2, 32, 3 is carrying, 5 3s are 15 and 3, 18. 1 step 0. 7 5s are 35, 3 is carrying, 7 6 are 42 and 3, 45. 4 is carrying, 7 3s are 21 and 4, 25. Now add it. 5 7, then here will be 13, 1 is carrying, 7 2. The answer will be 2 7 3 3 7 5 taka. Do you have any problem? No. I think you have learned this on properly, and I will give you homework.